Meaning of down.
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 Down. The word down has multiple meanings depending on its context. As an adverb, it can mean in a lower position or towards the ground. It can also indicate a decrease in quantity or intensity, as in sales are down. As a preposition, it can indicate movement towards a lower position or a location further south. Additionally, down can be used as an adjective to describe something that is not functioning, as in the server is down. Overall, the meaning of down varies widely depending on the context in which it is used.